Hi guys, so as you can see I'm stood in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video because I'm going to be doing a video where I wash my car. So obviously I'm in the kitchen because this is where we fill the buckets up. We do have a hose, but I'm not going to trail the hose all the way through the house to use it, and I'm not going to bring my car around the back because I haven't really quite got the talent to reverse the car into the yard. So I'm just going to wash it at the front using a bucket. Here's my bucket. It is your regular size bucket. There's nothing special. I hope you find this video quite fun because I do get quite wet when washing my car, and it's not that it needs a wash, it's just that the back end is really dirty and I can't have one part of it dirty and the other half clean. So I'm going to wash it just so that the back end isn't dirty anymore because I hate seeing it dirty. So now I'm going to get a sponge. Got my sponge and I'm going to find some soap, but I need the light, so 2 seconds. So I've turned the light on and I didn't bother recording me find the soap, but here's the soap that we use. It's the Maguire's Ultimate Wash and Wax. We use this all the time when we wash our cars. I mean, we do have other stuff, but obviously this is the one we use for now. So I am now just going to fill up my bucket and see what happens. I mean, I can't really fit it in the sink and I don't want to take anything out. So we'll see what happens. You only put a little bit in, look. You only need to put a tiny little bit. I think that's a bit much, to be honest. Like, it's all just around the side of the bucket. I'm gonna move that just while I fill it up. So there we go. Yeah, I think I put it looking like it's all. And now we need to put a bit of warm water. Oh dear. Not too hot, because you don't want to like have red hot water when washing the car. And when it's cold outside and you've got hot water, it's not a very good mix. So yeah, that'll do. So my bucket is relatively full. I'm not going to fill it much higher because I won't be able to carry it. So I'm going to have to pause this a second while I carry everything outside because I can't carry my phone, the bucket and the sponge all at the same time. So I'll see you in like 2 minutes when I'm outside. Except you won't know any different because it'll all just be now. Like, sorry if you can hear this thing, my brother's right behind me. So first I'm going to start with the wheels, but I'll speed this up so you don't actually have to watch it because I don't really say a lot. So here we go. And the other one. Oh, I've got dirt on the leg.
Too much shot on
So that's the wheels done on this side. I'm going to go around the other side, to the side that you can't see. So I'm going to pause this because there'll be no point keeping it recording while I'm around the other side. So, right. So that's the wheels done. I got a bit scared because the police came down. So now, when you wash your car, you start from the top. So everything runs down. So, I'm going to start with the roof. And then I do the roof.
Did you started with the wheels though?
Yeah, when you're actually doing the car. And then you do the roof and the window and everything. You just saw the police car go past there. And then I do all this side, then the other side, and then I do the back last, and then I chuck water all over. So you're going to see how I wash my car. I get most, like normally, my dad would help me a little bit. In fact, he wouldn't. He'd just check it over and make sure I haven't missed anything. It turned out last time I washed it, I'd missed quite a few bits. So we'll try not to do that this time. I'll speed this up a bit again.
You want me to go inside? So you can end it. Oh no, no, I thought you do what Dad did when he splashes the roof. I thought you do what Dad does when he splashes the roof.
Not yet.
Oh, so you did it, it's not yet. Alright, okay, fair enough. Tell you what, let's speed still.
Try to speed anyway.
Huh? So you won't actually hear your best speed and speed it up?
Well, you will, but
Will this be really quick?
it sounds quite funky.
Yeah. Right. Where you at there? No, you can't see. Well, you see a little bit of you. I just like to see your hands going across the roof.
Yeah. Right, so I'm on this side. So you see what? I have already here.
I even know how to wash a car because I've washed one too.
Yes, when you want to help me.
No. I don't want to wash the car. Oh, but I'll put it in because it's freezing out here. No, it's the concrete, that's cold. Oh, concrete's freezing. Thank you. Speakers are lucky, they don't have feelings. Thank you. What was that?
As you can see, it is quite salty water.
Imagine if you're washing your car now and it's snowing.
I would wash it now.
No, what if you wash it now and then it starts snowing?
So we're doing the wing now.
Is that the base again? We'll do the base with the car now.
So there's all that one. Great. And now we go to everything else we do.
There's so many cars down here. What's that noise? Is that something like in there? I always thought it had to be red hot for it to, but never it doesn't.
Right, and going through.
How many? There's kids in the house.
No.
Why can't I hear me on that? No, no, no. Oh, he's in the house.
He is?
Yeah.
Where's the opening?
You wanted to be out, bless her.
Yeah, yeah, we want to be out.
Yeah, look at the door.
And now for the back.
You might want to look out for Patrick, by the way, because he said he's coming down. Oh, God, something with your video, yeah?
We're going to do it. Oh, you can't get it.
No.
We're on and sliding back in here.
There's echoing a lot there.
What's the kind of look now? Okay, that's it on the floor.
Let me see, no. Oh, we're looking at that. He's got a blind open. Oh. Yeah. You should live next to us.
Oh, yeah, one has no chance.
On the bubbles.
Whoa. Right, here comes the fun bit. I mean, I think I put a bit too much bubbles in, but hey ho. Are you ready, Liam? You might want to move out the way.
Oh,
I mean, I might want to move my phone out the way as well, but it's heading.
your phone will only get wet.
Like that. Now I need to go and get some more water, because as you can see I've just chucked it all on the car and there's still a few bubbles in the bottom of it, but that's okay. Just gonna dry one of my hands. Oh, free now. I shouldn't do that. Ah, no.
You actually get wrong for copyright?
Yes.
You can?
Yes. Well, you can. I think it's more of just like a... Right, I'll see you in a bit. I know this isn't the best angle, but like, you can see most of the car, so it'll do. I have kind of moved it from the floor because I feel up here it'll be much safer when I'm splashing water over here. I mean, it might fall. I'm just hoping it doesn't because I can't afford for it to fall. But we'll see. No. Right. Oh, you can see this, right? It was a surprise. Oh, it's just my face.
Wow, you're washing your car still. Can I wet it with the water?
Well, that bucket lasted long, and look, it's dripping on my face. Right. Oh, nervous people. Sorry about that abrupt boom, there was people coming up the street, and I felt a bit awkward standing here with like a video there, and like, yeah, so I'm just gonna finish off the rest of the car now, and like it's literally just the roof and the front, and then after that it's done. So all good, all good. Oh man, woo! Like that, guys, like that. And you've got to run out the way before I watch it. I'll wait because there's a car coming down the street. Just realised I've missed a bit because it's a bit soaked on my passenger side, driver's side even. Just gonna do the last little bit. Found what? Okay. Like that,
Are you still recording the video?
Yeah. Okay. So the car is now all washed. So it's officially all nice and clean, as you can see. Minus me. He looks really nice and clean. Yes, my car is he. Don't judge me, okay? I just heard someone's doorbell. And I don't know where it was. But someone's door definitely went.
You start hearing music because my feet.
Anyway, right, come on then in because.
Don't stop right here for waiting for mum.
Okay. Right. So I'm just gonna go into the kitchen. Right, so. Oh, hi. You can see my awful ghostly like face. So that is the end of the video. I have just had a faff on for 5 whole minutes trying to take my coat off because one of the fleecy sleeves came out, so I've had to try and put that back in. Anyway, that's the end of that video. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I know the quality was quite bad and the lighting was quite bad, so I couldn't really do anything about that because there's no light on the front camera, and unfortunately we've got very dull street lights. Not sure why, but we have. So yeah, that was our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because that would really mean a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the little bell button to get notifications for every time I upload, and don't forget to leave comments telling me what videos you would like to see on my channel because that would also help me out a ton. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the video. Goodbye.